Hello friends, welcome to this fun video.
So I have my wallet, money, card, ID, everything is here. And then I wanted to be knitting. I carry wool and the hat I'm making. So when I'm tired at the airport, I have something busy, keep more busy. Paper towel, very essential. And what is this? Candies. I put candy in the bag and gum. And these are all, oh, I wonder why they didn't ask me anything about this. All my jewelry list, earrings and such. Here. Okay, you put them here. So that's what's in this bag. Clothes. Brush the teeth, many things to do with clothes, you know. Just in case I get dirty or whatever, you know, if I have to change. And I put perfume. I always put perfume in the clothes I put in my bag. Everything in the bag. Because you don't have a lot of time. These are all my makeup. I packed them categorically. This is face, eye makeup, powders and blushes. These are brushes. These are a foundation, corrector, highlighter, and these are gadgets like charger. Gadgets I need on the way, like power bank. I put them in this, and I have this for extra sunshade. Okay, my favorite brush for the wig, and this is very fun and important. This is like cloth that has soap already in it. All you need to do is add water and it will foam. I'll show you guys that tomorrow when I'm getting ready. My lips and my little mirror is in here. My favorite face mirror. My luggage gets missing so I can still change because I don't want to take no risk. Extra shirt. My wig is in here. You don't drop it, that one. And extra underoos. To see all that, you don't have to see extra underwear just in case, you know, something happens to the big one I have on there. And this, what is this? This is another wig. Okay, and the nail things have to do my nails tomorrow. And this is my toothbrush battery, my electrical toothbrush. You see me use it tomorrow. I use two toothbrushes. I use electrical toothbrushes to brush my teeth, to brush inside my teeth, and I use this for outside and my tongue. Boom. I bought two of those. I put baking soda inside it. That's why you see why. Put baking soda inside it to keep it dry and fresh and from bacteria. So this is it. I always wrap it up, you know, hygiene purpose and such. This is very important. When you're traveling, you must have something like this. You must. So disinfect your bed pillow, the bathroom, disinfect them. So two beds. I'm not going to sleep on this bed, okay, because I'm not going to put luggage in the bed. I'll sleep on that bed. I promise I'll show you guys the video, so I hope I have enough space in my phone because I've been filming. This is beach towel for when I go. I don't know if they have a swimming pool. In case they have, beach towel for swimming pool and such. Okay, my favorite perfume, Burberry London. The perfume, get me original Burberry London any day. This is my because I have problem with my leg. Turn it on, put it on different settings, and I use it to massage for blood flow, massage your body. It's very good. So I always carry it with me. My body oil. This is hair. I think that is a castor oil for the hair. Glycerin, you know, I like glycerin a lot for the mouth, for the breath, good breath. I just put little creams for TCA and hand sanitizer because you have to carry it little portions that will be approved at the airport. These are my clothing. This, I'm gonna pair this with my white pants. So I folded. Everything has a plan, and I packed a capsule wardrobe. I don't know why, more scarves, because you can do a lot with scarves. Especially if you don't have a lot of clothes, you can tie it. You can do a lot. I'll show you guys tomorrow. It's happening. No silver scarf. Show you guys how to tie this. Okay. I don't like my shoes touching my clothes. I have a pet peeve for dirty shoes on the clothes you're gonna wear. So I put it in the shoe dust bag. These are old shoes that I already have at home. This will be my dressing, because the only shoe I wear if I want to look cute and dressed up. This one, yeah, nothing special, but it's very comfortable. Where I fold them. You have to fold them this way. You see, you have to fold them this way and put them. Don't just throw things in there. Fold them that way. It doesn't rumple. That's the secret. It doesn't rumple. You know, fold them like this in, you know, very tight, like a pipe, and you put them in there. That's how I folded my favorite dress. Why not? It's New Orleans, and it's hot, and so for maybe one of these days, for breakfast or for dinner, I'll just wear it. Oh, this is my princess dress. I have to pink oil. I'm gonna do a video with pink oil that's linked with Idris Abba's wife. My parents' friend, she lives in New Orleans, so I brought it for her. I hope it's her size though. But for Mama, I'll give it to her. If I get to see her, she lives in New Orleans. This liquid soap is a problem because of the airports. They won't let you carry. They actually seized my body scrub. They seized it at the airport because they said I cannot take it in. So you get bar soap, a good scented one. This bar soap will be everything. You use to take a shower, wash your clothes, and let your clothes smell good. Smell so good. This one is bar soap. So it smells so good. That alone perfumes all your clothes. When you remove perfume, you'll be fine. This number, oh my god, this faux leather number Akroka. Another swimsuit. It's faux leather. I will not wear it in the water, but just to sit around the pool and pretend I'm in the water. Blouse, I'll wear on top of that. I'm sure that will make my some underwear, lace. Because I'm on vacation. This is the time to wear dairy things. You're on vacation. Do like you're on vacation. Okay, this is not the time to wear grandma's panty. No. Bras. I'm traveling when I'm not allowed to take liquid soap. And I have some favorite liquid soap I love. What I do, I put them in, like this is the scrub I use. So I pour the liquid soap in here and put it in the towel. In that way, I have soap here and soap here. So 2 nights I can take a shower. The soap is wet from the soap. So I cover it up and put it in a Ziploc bag. That's the trick. So I have 2 things. At least I can take a shower twice before I can use the bath soap. With my favorite liquid soap, face towels. I don't use hotel towels on my body because I cook my towels after I use it on my face. So this part, see, I'm very organized though. I know I look jaga. Trust me, Aunty J is organized. Because I'm gonna do my nail test. I put this on because they will not let you take this through the customs. You have to check it in. I put all my nail products. I'm gonna do my nail. Manicure, pedicure, mama, economy harder. I'm going to manicure and pedicure myself. Here, of course, another Lysol. I don't joke. So in case that, I have 2 Lysol. So, how did you guys like my capsule wardrobe? Can you please let me know if you also do capsule wardrobe? Does it work for you? What do you think about minimalism? Trying to minimize so you don't have too many things where you can wear clothes, interchange them. Tell me what you think about in your comment section. Please now subscribe. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share. This how I pack to go on a short vacation. Tips and tricks. I will tell you more about tricks and tricks on going through the airport in America, things you might not know that might be important for you, tricks and tricks. So check it out for next videos. Comment, share, like. Feeling that I'm so tired, cheese based bags. Let me go eat. I'm tired. I just remembered one thing I didn't show you guys. I have these things I bought, I think with TJ Maxx. These are like capsules, little capsules, face oil. So these are like, first of all, you can carry through customs. When you open the capsule, there's very nourishing face oil in it that you can use for many things, not just as face oil. See how shiny my hand is all of a sudden. This is a way you can transport oil without nobody telling you don't take it in capsule form. It's nice. I had to share it. Look at it. I had to share it with you guys. I don't know if you can see it.